Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1701Q for the second quarter. First, ensure you have all your financial records ready, including income statements and expense receipts. This form is crucial for individuals earning income from business or practice of profession. We'll walk through each step, making the process clear and straightforward. Let's get started on simplifying your tax obligations. Now, let's calculate your taxable income. Start by adding up all your gross income from your business or professional practice for the second quarter. Then, carefully subtract all your legitimate and allowable deductions. This includes expenses directly related to your income-generating activities. The resulting figure is your net taxable income, which is the basis for your tax computation. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, just like organizing your taxes, meal prep can be a breeze with the right tools. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we'll focus on completing Form 1701Q itself. Make sure all your personal and business details are accurately entered in the designated fields. Transfer your calculated net taxable income to the form. Then, apply the correct tax rates to determine your total tax due for the second quarter. Double-check all entries to avoid errors and ensure compliance. Once you've completed the form and calculated your tax, it's time for payment and submission. Ensure you pay your tax liability by the specified deadline to avoid penalties. You can submit Form 1701Q either electronically through the BIR-EFPS system or manually at an authorized agent bank. Always keep a complete set of copies for your personal records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.